In today's video, we're going to find out if Cadillac SRX calipers will fit a Chevy Equinox. The difference is the Chevy Equinox only has one piston on the caliper and the Cadillac SRX has two. Now, the reason I am trying this is because they're made on the same platform. So, without further ado, at the beginning of this project, I tried to find as much information as I could. Nobody really has anything posted online for putting Cadillac SRX brake calipers on a Chevy Equinox. So I did know that the factory SRX caliper was 345 millimeters in diameter and the Equinox was 321. However, it has a 6-lug bolt pattern and the Equinox has a 5-lug. So once we fitted the caliper from the SRX to the Equinox, we then noticed that it was obvious there was a diameter issue. So then we did a little more research and found that the Cadillac CTS performance version, which I think would be the CTS V, actually had the 345 millimeter caliper or rotor. So we went to the auto parts store, we checked them, the measurements were all the same. The CTS was on a 5 by 120 lug pattern, which is the same as the Equinox. So we went ahead and picked that up and fitted that to the vehicle, and you can see how that turned out. Here's the Cadillac SRX caliper bolted in place on the Chevy Equinox. Everything lines up, the bolts line up, but the rotor diameter is a little too small, so we went and bought a rotor from a Cadillac CTS that is 345 millimeters. The factory Equinox is 321. So we're going to swap that out and see what it looks like once it's in place. Here's the Cadillac CTS rotor. It's the heavy duty or the performance model rotor. We're going to put the caliper back on and see if it fits. Okay, here's the 2011 Cadillac SRX caliper, 2011 Cadillac CTS rotor. Everything lines up, and it's on a 2011 Chevy Equinox. So we're going to test fit the wheel, make sure there's no interference with the caliper.
So you got plenty of clearance.
Yep, there's plenty of clearance on here. I think this will be the upgrade we'll go with. So one other item that we will probably have to change will be the brake line that goes from here to the bottom of the caliper, which is right here. And most likely that'll come from an SRX